So I want to show you the best broker that you need as a beginner in forex trading. You know, most times people just give you a review without showing you the reality of trading. But on this my particular channel, I give you the reality of trading and you see it live. So I have been on this particular trade that you are seeing. I have been trading this for the past 3 days. I have been holding this particular trade like this. So this is an account with a different broker that I intend to show you. So in this particular account, I entered this trade on Monday. Today is Wednesday. This is the third day that I am holding this trade, and it has been swinging between profit and loss, profit and drawdown. It has not really gone my direction yet. Okay, so let me just show you on the chart. For this GBP card, this is my SL. You can see them. These are the SL for this particular trades that I entered, and my TP, I'm targeting this particular level. So it has been swinging. Right when I entered, it has been swinging, going up. It will come down, go up, come down. Okay, so I expect it to sell down. This for GBP card. Then for GBP USD, this is how it has been. This is where my SL is, and my TP is down here. This is where I'm expecting it to come and reach, and it has been swinging as well, dancing around for like 3 days now. You may say, why am I showing you this as a beginner if you are to select a particular broker that you want to trade with? If I click on this particular trade, you will see that there is a fee they are charging you, known as the swap fee. If you hold a trade overnight, you are going to be charged a fee known as the swap fee. At first, it may look minor for you, but when you hold that trade for like 2 weeks, it accumulates, and there is no way that you will know when a trade will move or not. So I can't really know when this trade will move to my direction. It can take 1 week, it can go this particular day, the third day, it can be the fourth day or the fifth day. You will not know. And there's no guarantee in trading. Let no one lie to you that they have 100% win rate. So there's no guarantee that it must go my direction, that okay, after the fourth day or 1 week, that it is going to go my direction. You are supposed to have managed your risks, know how much you want to risk before you even enter a trade. So this swap fee will add to your losses. So if you had wanted risking only $100 and you held the trade for like 1 week before the trade finally goes against you and hit your stop loss, it will add to your loss. So that $100 plus your swap fee will be your total losses. So imagine now, for each particular day of holding just this position, this 0.1 lot that I just entered, just this position, it is going to give about $1 per day that you are holding it. So if you hold it for like 7 days, that's $7. For 2 weeks, that's $14. So if it ends up as a loss, instead of losing, let's say for this particular trade, instead of losing maybe $50, you are going to lose about $74 for holding it for 2 weeks. That is what it means, this swap fee that you are seeing. Now, I entered this position and I entered this one again. Look at the swap fees, they are accumulating. Look at this other one, they are accumulating as well. Look at this one. This one I added today. That's why you're seeing it does not have any swap fee. Now I'm going to show you similar trade that I entered on a smaller account. Let me go over and show you. Now you can see this is a smaller account, and for this trade, this was entered, look at the date here, on the 1st, and today is not 1st, today is Wednesday. So today is 3rd of June, is not the 1st again. So I've been holding it for 3 days. But look at the swap. There is no swap fee charged on this particular trade. Okay, if I check on this particular one, you can see today is 3rd. I entered this one today and there's no swap fee because I entered today. I added the positions today for this particular one. So the ones I entered today, you can see clearly no swap fee. Even the one I entered on the 1st of June, no swap fee. Okay, so this is the reason why I prefer this particular broker compared to that other one that charges fees. And I am advising you as a beginner as well, any broker you are choosing, try to get the one that will give you swap free. They are free, they don't charge fees for their swaps, so you can hold that position even if it's for 3 weeks, 1 week, 1 month. So there are certain assets such as the S&P 500 that keep climbing up. You can buy and hold for 1 year, or gold, you can buy and hold it for 1 year. Imagine you do that on the one that they charge swap fees. If they are going to be charging you swap fees, you are not going to be profitable using that particular broker if you hold a trade over a long period of time. You can register with a broker that does not charge fees, no swap fees, and then you can hold your trade for as long as you want, even if it's 1 month or for 1 year. Whether it's gold you are holding for 1 year or you are holding S&P 500 for 1 year, no swap fees. So I would advise you to go for a broker that does not charge swap fees, and the one I am suggesting for you is Just Markets, which is what I am using, Just Markets. So let me go over and show you this particular broker that I am using. So this is Just Markets. This is their app. The link to download their app is in the description box. You can create an account. They have different types of account and their minimum deposit is $10, you can see. So they have different types of accounts. They have MT5 and MT4 account. Their minimum deposit is $10 US. You can see them here. If you are interested in this particular Just Markets broker, the link is there in the description box. If you want to see how to register with them, verify your account, I have made a video. It will appear at the top right hand corner. And if you also want to see how to make deposit using crypto USDT, I have made that already. The video will also appear at the top right hand corner. And if you want to see a withdrawal proof from this particular broker, I have also made a video about them. The video will appear at the top right hand corner. Any type of account that you select with this particular broker, Just Markets, it is swap free. They will not charge you any fee for holding a trade. So if you have minimum of $10, use this particular type, the standard account. If you have up to 200 that you want to make as your first time deposit, then you can go for this. So the first time deposit will be 200 for this particular account, but subsequent one can be less than 200. It's not a must. The first deposit is the one that is 200. But for this one, the first deposit is $10. Subsequent one can still be $10. This one, the first deposit 200, subsequent one can still be $10. Okay, so you can choose if you want to use the MT5 app or MT4 app. And I have also shown you how to connect your MT5 account to Just Markets. The video will also appear at the top right hand corner. So if you have any question regarding this particular broker as a beginner, just let me know in the comment section. But this is my advice for you. If you are going to hold a trade over a long period of time, then choose a broker that will not charge you any swap fees, because over time that swap fee will accumulate and add to your losses, or it will reduce the profits that you are going to make. Okay, so if I end up with $500 as profits, the swap can be $50 deducted from that 500, so you will have 450. So go for a broker that doesn't have that swap fee. So if you have any question regarding this, just let me know in the comment section. Do have a wonderful day. Bye.